In today's video, we're making banana chips. That's right, we're gonna take all those bananas that we have in the kitchen and turn them into a delicious snack. With 3 kids in the house, I always keep bananas on hand. We use them for breakfast muffins, smoothies, the infamous double chocolate chip banana bread, and my new favorite way, slathered with almond butter. Unreal. But today, we're keeping it simple with this recipe. So let's talk about the bananas. To make banana chips, you'll want to use bananas that are bright yellow, ripe. They still have like a firm texture, which makes them easier to slice into thin rounds, and the thinner the slice, the faster they'll bake. Overly ripe bananas have a lot more moisture, so your banana chip is gonna turn out softer in texture, but if you like that, by all means, use ripe banana. Now the best part, if you ask me, is that I get to eat the ends. As simple as this recipe is, it does take some time on our part. The banana chips have to bake in the oven at a low temperature for about 2 hours or so until the moisture comes out and they're crispy. I have my oven preheating to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Any hotter and they'll burn. If your oven goes down to 200, you can do that too. If you have a food dehydrator, the instructions will show you the settings for moist fruit or bananas. They usually take anywhere between 12 and 18 hours, so there's that option too. You'll want to line a baking sheet with parchment paper so the bananas release easily. To get these started, I'm going to combine water and lemon juice in this bowl. And then I'm just easily going to dip the slices in and transfer them to the lined pan. The lemon juice is going to help with the browning, and that is something that many kids complain about. You can also line them up and lightly brush each banana slice on both sides with the lemon mixture. Now, 1 banana yields a lot of chips, but if you are putting this in the oven and going through the trouble, you might as well double, triple, make a lot of bananas because they last in the pantry for quite a while. Now, in the oven they go for about 2 hours. After an hour to an hour and a half, I'm going to take them out, flip them, and then let them cook the rest of the time without any interruptions. At the 2-hour mark, I'm going to check them to see if they need more time. You know they're ready when they're hard to the touch and they feel like wafers. At that point, you simply remove them from the oven and allow them to cool down completely. The longer they cool, the crispier they become. To store them, once they're cool completely, you just place them in a zip bag or airtight container. Banana chips are such a simple and tasty snack, and I can't wait for you to give them a try. For the recipe details and the printed recipe, make sure you check right below this video. And while you're down there, hit that red subscribe button. A new video comes out every single week, which means more time for us to hang out. See you next time. And I can't wait for you to give them a try. It's upside down. Stop. Banana chips are such an... A new video comes out every single week. A new video comes out. Good enough.